Hello friends, welcome back to CarOg 765. Today we are looking at a true American trucking legend, the 1981 Peterbilt 359 Rescued. If you love classic trucks, powerful diesel engines, and incredible restoration stories, then this video is for you. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to CarOg 765 and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. Imagine discovering a truck that has been sitting abandoned for years. Rust covers the body, dust fills the cab, and many people believe it will never run again. Most would see only an old machine ready for the scrapyard. But truck enthusiasts see something completely different. They see potential, history, and a chance to bring a legend back to life. The 1981 Peterbilt 359 is one of the most respected semi-trucks ever built in America. Its long-nosed design, massive chrome grille, and powerful diesel engine made it a favorite among owner-operators. Even decades after production ended, truck lovers still dream of owning one. When this rescued Peterbilt 359 was found, it had clearly seen better days. Years of exposure to weather had damaged many parts. The paint was faded, the chrome was dull, and the interior showed signs of age. Yet beneath all that wear and tear remained the soul of a legendary truck. The restoration process began with a detailed inspection. Mechanics checked the frame, suspension, engine, transmission, and electrical systems. Every part had to be examined carefully. Restoring a classic truck is never easy because replacement parts can be difficult to find. One of the most exciting moments in any rescue project is trying to start the engine for the first time. After replacing fluids, checking fuel lines, and performing necessary repairs, the team turned the key. At first, the engine struggled. Then suddenly the diesel engine came alive with its deep, powerful sound. For truck enthusiasts, that moment alone makes all the hard work worthwhile. The Peterbilt 359 became famous because it combined strength with style. Unlike many trucks of its era, it looked impressive on the highway. Drivers took pride in keeping their trucks clean and polished. A shiny Peterbilt 359 wasn't just a vehicle, it was a symbol of professionalism and independence. As the restoration continued, damaged components were replaced or rebuilt. The cab received attention, the seats were repaired, and new materials refreshed the interior. Outside, the chrome parts were polished until they shined once again. The transformation was incredible. Many classic truck fans consider the Peterbilt 359 one of the most beautiful trucks ever made. Its long hood design gave it a commanding presence on the road. Even parked, it looked powerful. That timeless appearance is one reason these trucks remain highly collectible today. The engine options available in the 1981 model were also a major reason for its popularity. Many trucks were equipped with powerful Cummins diesel engines known for durability and strong performance. These engines were built to handle heavy loads across long distances. Driving a restored Peterbilt 359 is a completely different experience compared to modern trucks. Modern vehicles focus on technology and efficiency, while the 359 delivers a more mechanical and connected driving experience. Drivers can feel the power of the engine and appreciate the craftsmanship of a classic machine. Another reason rescue projects are important is that they preserve trucking history. Every restored truck tells a story about America's transportation industry and the hard-working drivers who helped move goods across the country. Saving these vehicles ensures that future generations can appreciate their contribution. Today, fully restored Peterbilt 359 trucks can attract significant attention at truck shows across the United States. Some owners invest thousands of dollars into creating show-quality restorations. Others prefer keeping their trucks road-ready and using them for special events and long-distance trips. The rescued 1981 Peterbilt 359 proves that even machines left forgotten for years can have a second chance. With dedication, skill, and passion, a neglected truck can once again become a source of pride and admiration. As the restoration reached completion, the truck looked almost brand new. The polished chrome reflected sunlight, the engine ran smoothly, and the classic Peterbilt styling returned to its former glory. What was once an abandoned relic had become a rolling masterpiece. For truck enthusiasts, stories like this are inspiring because they show the value of preservation and hard work. The Peterbilt 359 is more than just a truck. It is a symbol of American trucking heritage and one of the greatest classic semi-trucks ever built. Thank you for watching today's video on the 1981 Peterbilt 359 Rescued. If you enjoyed this amazing restoration story, please like, share, and subscribe to CarAug 765. Let us know in the comments whether you would drive this legendary truck. See you in the next video.